Ever scrolled through YouTube or TikTok and stumbled upon those simple stick figure animations that just keep you watching? Believe it or not, those straightforward sketches aren't just for fun. Some creators are pulling in thousands of dollars a month from them. And the best part? They don't require expensive software or advanced skills. Today, I'm about to show you how you can get started in this low-competition niche and start creating your own viral stick animations, all without spending a single dollar. Stick around because you won't want to miss these insider secrets. Why stick figure animations? Stick figure animations might look simple, but they're taking social media by storm. These videos are easy to make, yet they have a unique power to captivate audiences. With platforms like YouTube and TikTok, even the most basic animations are racking up millions of views and generating real income for their creators. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create your own animations, no experience required. You'll learn how to stand out, attract a dedicated audience, and even earn money as you go. So, if you're ready to jump into this creative world and take advantage of a surprisingly profitable niche, keep watching. Step 1. Choosing your animation tool. To kick things off, let's talk about the tool that's going to make your stick figure animation journey both easy and free: Adobe Express. Now, you might have heard of Adobe's premium programs, but Adobe Express has a fantastic free version that gives you all the basics to start creating animations right away. Here's how to get started. First, go to the Adobe Express website. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid any paid versions by mistake. Once you're there, you'll find Adobe Express has a clean, beginner-friendly layout. This tool is perfect for creators of all levels because it's designed for quick, intuitive projects. No technical expertise required. With Adobe Express, you'll be able to create animations that look professional without the steep learning curve. This versatility allows you to customize your animations, making it easier to reach the right audience on every platform. Step 2. Setting up your workspace. Alright, now that you've got Adobe Express ready, let's dive into setting up your workspace. This is where the magic happens. Starting with the basics, open up Adobe Express, and you'll notice a plus icon. Click on that to open the Creation panel. Then, head over to the Quick Actions tab, which is where we'll set up your animation. Next, scroll down until you find the option labeled Animate from Audio. This is the feature that will let you bring your stick figures to life with sound, giving your animation a professional edge. Once you're inside the workspace, you'll have a variety of customization options at your fingertips. Now, for the fun part, choose your character style. Under Categories, you'll see tons of character options, but we're sticking with the classics: stick figures. Then, let's talk backgrounds. Click on the Background tab and you'll see options like solid colors, cityscapes, classrooms, or even space scenes. Pick one that matches the mood or message of your animation. If you're aiming for a fun, laid-back vibe, something like a colorful classroom or simple solid background works, great. And remember, if you're planning to post to YouTube, the landscape layout is ideal. Step 3. Creating a compelling script. Now that we have our workspace set up, let's talk about one of the most important parts of your animation: the script. This is what hooks your viewers and keeps them watching. A great script makes all the difference in turning a basic animation into something people want to share. Creating a script doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, you can use tools like ChatGPT to generate fun, engaging ideas quickly. You want the dialogue to flow naturally and match the playful vibe of the visuals. Make sure to keep your script focused, avoid long monologues, and stick to punchlines or catchy phrases that can hold attention. Once you've created your script, you're all set to move on to the audio step. So, grab those funny lines, relatable jokes, or even a short story that fits your animation's theme. Step 4. Adding voiceovers with text-to-speech. With your script ready, it's time to bring it to life with audio, and here's where voiceovers come in. Using a voiceover adds a whole new dimension to your animation, making it more engaging and memorable. The best part? You don't need to record your own voice if you're not comfortable with that. Instead, you can use a free text-to-speech tool. To get started, head over to a free text-to-speech website. These tools allow you to convert your text into natural-sounding audio by simply pasting in your script. Many of them offer a variety of voices, so take a moment to preview a few options and pick the one that best matches the tone of your animation. Here's a quick tip. Select a voice that fits the humor or emotion in your script. A friendly, upbeat voice works great for lighthearted jokes, while a more neutral tone can fit serious or instructional content. Most free text-to-speech sites give you up to 2,000 characters per generation, but you can create as many clips as you need. Once you're happy with the voice and pacing, download the audio file to your computer. Now you've got your audio and it's ready to be synced with your animation in Adobe Express. With the right voiceover, your animation will not only look but sound professional, giving it that extra polish viewers love. Up next, I'll show you exactly how to sync this audio with your stick figure character to make your animation pop. Step 5. Syncing audio with animation. Now that we've got our audio file ready, it's time to bring everything together by syncing it with your stick figure animation. This is where your animation starts to feel real, with your character reacting and moving in sync with the voiceover. To start, head back to Adobe Express and go to the Audio tab in your workspace. Here, you'll find an option to upload your audio file. Just select the file you downloaded from the text-to-speech tool, and Adobe Express will automatically begin syncing it with your character. As soon as your audio is uploaded, you'll notice the stick figure starts moving in response to the voice. But to make it look polished, we need to refine it. Adobe Express allows you to adjust timing and add specific expressions to match the tone of your script. For example, if there's a joke, you can make the character pause slightly, adding a beat for comedic effect. If your script has an emotional line, try using subtle movements to convey that feeling. Here's a tip. Take a few minutes to preview your animation and watch how the stick figure reacts to the audio. Look out for any spots where the movements feel off or out of sync. Adobe Express makes it easy to tweak each section, so don't be afraid to make adjustments until the animation flows smoothly. A well-synced animation can make your stick figure feel like a real character, helping your videos stand out and keeping viewers engaged. Step 6. Posting for maximum reach. Your animation is ready. Now let's get it out there and make sure it reaches the right audience. Posting consistently is key to growing an audience, so aim to upload 2 to 3 videos a week. Consistency not only helps build your follower base, but also signals to platforms like YouTube and TikTok that you're an active creator, which can boost your video's visibility. For YouTube, make sure to choose a landscape format and write an attention-grabbing title that includes keywords like stick figure animation or funny animation. These keywords will help people searching for animations find your video. Don't forget to add relevant tags in the description, like DIY animation or stickman jokes, to increase discoverability. If you're posting on TikTok, consider using a portrait format for better visibility. Since TikTok videos are short and punchy, be sure to keep your animation engaging right from the start. Use relevant hashtags like #stickfigure, #animation, and #funny to make your video appear in trending categories. And remember, don't just limit your reach to these platforms. Share your animations on Instagram Stories, Pinterest, and even Facebook, where they can attract a wider audience. A quick behind-the-scenes snippet or a preview clip works wonders on these platforms and can drive traffic back to your main video. The more you get your animation in front of new eyes, the better the chance it has to go viral. So get your video out there, share it on multiple platforms, and keep up that posting routine to build momentum. Next, I'll walk you through some ways to start earning from your animations as your audience grows. Step 7. Monetization strategies. Now that your animations are reaching viewers, let's talk about turning that audience into income. The first step is to meet YouTube's requirements for monetization: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you hit these milestones, you can enable ads on your videos, which generates revenue based on views and engagement. If you're posting on TikTok, look into joining the TikTok Creator Fund. This program rewards creators who have at least 10,000 followers and a consistent view count. Each time your video performs well, you'll earn a portion of the fund based on your engagement. Sponsorships are another great income source as your channel grows. Brands often reach out to creators whose content aligns with their products, offering payments in exchange for featured content. Just remember to choose sponsorships that fit your channel's style and audience to keep your followers engaged and build trust. Monetization takes time and consistency, but with regular uploads and engagement, your animations can become a profitable stream. Final tips and motivation. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the tools and strategies to create and share captivating stick figure animations. Remember, consistency is the secret sauce here. The more you post, the more momentum you build. Don't forget to engage with your audience, reply to comments, and take feedback seriously. Every video is a chance to improve and learn what your viewers enjoy. So, whether you're just starting out or aiming to turn this into a serious income stream, keep pushing forward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and leave any questions in the comments. I'm here to help you succeed. Now, go turn those ideas into animations and start building something amazing. Happy animating!